All right, let's talk about Synapse SQL. So Synapse SQL is a distributed version of TSQL designed for data warehouse workloads. It extends TSQL to address streaming and machine learning scenarios. It uses built-in streaming capabilities to land data from load data from cloud data sources into SQL tables, integrate AI with SQL by using ML models to score data using TSQL predict function, and offers both serverless and dedicated resource models. So for the serverless side, this is great for unpredictable workloads, so unplanned or bursty workloads. Use the always available or serverless SQL endpoint are our options. For predictable workloads, we create dedicated SQL pools to reserve processing power for data stored in SQL tables. So here we're talking about dedicated SQL pools and others. So let's talk about those very quickly. I couldn't even be bothered to make a graphic for this because it's just too much work, so I just pulled it right from the docs. But dedicated SQL pool is a query service over the data in your data warehouse. The unit of scale is an abstraction of compute power that is known as a data warehouse unit, DWD. Once your dedicated SQL pool is created, you can import big data with simple poly-based TSQL queries and then use the power of the distributed query engine to perform high-performance analytics. Then there's the serverless SQL pools, which looks like this. And serverless SQL pool is a query service over the data in your data lake, scaling done automatically to accommodate query resource requirements. As topology changes over time by adding or removing nodes or failover, it adapts to changes and makes sure your query has enough resources and finishes successfully. They're not going to test you on these data pool things, but I just figured we'd provide a little bit more context and some more language around here just to help solidify what this service is, but there you go.